Dzień dobry, good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poznan. Yes. So I just finished the school today, and then I will have a meeting actually in Zamek Centrum. And one thing, when I walk and I see these beautiful golden trees, they said here golden autumn is just like, steal my attention, and I want to show you how it is. This is actually, I would like to show how it looks in autumn. I'm wearing my sunglasses because it's sunny actually, but it's hot. It's hotter, I mean, if we compare with the previous days. Previous days was a very cold for me, but now it's getting warmer and warmer. And yeah, I'll show you how it is around. I'm in the area of Zamek University, and that's the Mercure Hotel, and I walk today after school and I see wow, I just door with the house, the color of the trees changing, the quietness. That's the children playground there. It's simply nice. I'm in the area of the Fredry. I think this is one of my favorite spots. Actually, there are so many favorite spots in Poznan, but this one is one of them. And yes, there used to be like a fountain, but unfortunately because it's autumn already and it's closed, the fountain. And that's the Zamek Park. This is basically how it looks, the situation, the traffic situation. Damian still in Paris. Actually, see, he is in Paris for 2 weeks. And yeah, he said that, whenever we've got a phone call every night, it's just like a huge project and so many mess because he's handling of 5 projects in Paris for the exhibition. And then after being in Paris, he will drive to Düsseldorf. And yeah, I think that's another big project. So he will come back to Poznan around 24th of October, and after that we will have a weekend together. And I already proposed let's go somewhere in the mountains in Poland actually. So yeah, that's the life update so far between my life in Poznan and my life and Damian's life in Paris. And after that, I've been busy lately. I've joined training for the teachers at school. So many things happening. And yeah, it's just after 12. I already finished my class, so I make a video. What I always said and adore is this city, Poznan city, for me is clean city. You see, everywhere you go, it's clean. And yeah, let's go there. I know that I'm showing you like the city of Poznan for many times because this is part of daily vlogs. So some of the places are repetitive, but yeah, this is how it looks, the city. There's a brand new building. Wow, look at the person there cleaning the top. And here out how it looks. On the left is the university, Zamek University. If we go there, it's the Plac Wolności and Stary Rynek. And yeah, I think that I will go there. This one is one of my favorite bakeries, pastries in the city center actually. And yeah, you see, it's busy, already queuing. And that's next to it is the Vietnamese restaurant, the tram, and here we are in St. Martin's Street. I bought one hot pizzerka, like slices of pizza. I would like to sit there and eat. Wait for a few minutes because my friend's still on the way. So this area is 20 Martin Street. And yeah, Let's sit there.
So I bought this pizzerka for 5 zloty. Waiting for my friend. Actually, it smells so good. Smacznego. What I can say here, living in Poznan, Poland especially, it's affordable with a good quality of the food and with the fresh products everywhere.
I was there actually. Now I'm in the area of the Zamek Central. So here there is a kino and theater animasi. Seeing how the progress of the development here. And I think the bus of the tourists. I'm gonna meet my friend here actually.
I'm waiting for my friends and actually got appointment at 13 here. So yeah, so busy. School activities here in Zamek.
I'm already inside the Zamek, and actually this one, how it looks, the situation so busy. Many school students are here.
It's always nice to meet friends. Actually, we were talking in the coffee shop, talking a lot about how it's update and everything. Yeah, the thing is about the Polish friendship is that, you know, once you crack the shell of the coals of Polish people, you will be like you have a long-term relationship of friendship. So we just talk and talk and talk, and then we forgot the time. Okay, so now I would like to go shopping actually for the week. And yeah, because it has been busy for me for 1 full week, I just want to have a time for shopping now.
Another day in Poznan. On Friday, what I'm gonna do, going shopping because I was busy for the weekday. So today I'm going to the Poznania Mall. I have my time here.
So I was in the tram, and then there were a group of students. I don't know where they are from, but there is one guy who got pissed off and straightforward saying to them like, "Hey, mi jest po Polsce, mówisz po polsku." Maybe because this group of students don't speak Polish and they are so loud and they are ignorant and they are just like too loud. And you know, this guy is quite old, and I was just like, I know that's happening lately because there are many people here, you know. The thing is that wherever you are, when you are in someone's land, you have to be respectful.
I'm on the top floor of the mall actually. Here how it looks. Many people working while eating. And here is just like this. I'm hungry. I decided to buy McDonald's. It has been, I think, a few weeks. I eat only cooked food at home, and this is how it looks, the situation in the food court. Here we go. I'm coming into the section, Asian section. Ah, they have a dragon fruit. Tamarillo. Many Asian products. Mangostan. Ember. They have a papaya. Nice. This actually so cute when I see durian flavor. If you miss a durian, there is a mochi with durian flavor. I moved to different section to buy Indomie. I like to stroll around the mall. Yes, that's me. Oh, now the theme of the Halloween everywhere. I'm waiting for the tram. That's the mall.
It was a very long day actually. Now I'm already arriving home. I think that's all my video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. I'm just feeling like a lovebird. You know, in front of me there is a beautiful couple, young couple. When she picked up the guy and the guy brought the flowers. It's nice. I'm arriving in my apartment actually. So every day I see something different and something new that I learn in my life.